Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to see how we can verify our phone number or how we can do OTP verification. Telegram. Yes, Telegram are currently offer a new API which is gateway API and we can use that to verify a phone number. Okay, so Telegram are offer that for free when we are on development, and when we are moved to the production, then for authenticate every single user we have to pay single dollar. That is 50% cheaper than SMS. So yeah, in this video we are going to learn how we can do that. So there have an example how it's work. You can see here we have to type the phone number, then that will send me a SMS or a OTP in my Telegram, and I can type that and verify my phone number. You can see there have a demo, and in this video we are going to make the same thing. If you want to learn that, you have to watch that complete video. Okay, so for making that, I have already created a HTML file. So I just open that file here. So here you can see that is a HTML file, and here I have already designed that and make that something like where user can type his phone number and check that whether that phone number is on Telegram or not. And if that phone number is on Telegram, then send him a SMS. And if that uh, phone number is not on Telegram, then don't send him any SMS. So we are make something like that, and also we can verify that is that verification code is you already used, and we can also send our custom verification code or OTP. So first of all, for making that, let me review the API that provided by Telegram. Okay, so here you can see I am currently on Telegram website, and if I just go on the API section, then you can see here they have the gateway API, and you can see they have complete API, clear API. Okay, so if you just go on the core.telegram.org/gateway/API, then you get that API. Also, I am going to give that API documentation link in my that video description box. You can check it out. However, so that is a very small API documentation. You can read that. That is properly your choice. To read that, you will learn everything, and hopefully that is best for you. That is properly your choice. And if you want to continue that video, then you can continue. However, so there have a lot of method, and if I just go here available method, you can see there have a method which is send verification message. If I just use that send verification message and I just pass my phone number, then that will send a automatic generated code to that phone number if that number is exist on Telegram. Well, so first of all, let me show you how you can get access token. If you just go authorization, here you can see you need a token. How you can get that token? So for getting that token, you just need to go gateway.telegram. You can see that website, gateway.telegram.org. Just go on that website, and I am currently logging on that website. I just log out. Okay. So after come on that Telegram gateway website, just click login to start, and here you have to type your phone number, your Telegram phone number. So here I will type my Telegram phone number, which is this one, and click next, and Telegram are sent me a message. I just need to click confirm to access. Okay, so I just go on the Telegram, and here I can see if I just go all chat, there have Telegram, and you can see that asks me for a request, that request made from gateway.telegram.org, and I am made that request. So I just confirm, and after confirm that request, I go here that website, and you can see I am on the dashboard. Now if you go on the API, you can see you will get the API. Now our first mission, we want to check whether the phone number is on Telegram or not. Okay, so let me take that API. So that is our API. I already make some changes on code. You can see there have the code. When I click that check Telegram button, when I click that button, that will call a function which is check Telegram. Check Telegram will make a API call which is gateway api.telegram.org, and then there have check Telegram ability, that kind of something method. If I just go here, and if you can see that is same API. Here I just have to type the phone number. If I just type phone number, you can see I am getting that phone number by using that document.getElement.value, which is the input field like this one. So I'm getting the phone number from here, and I just type here. I just have to replace the authentication or authorization token. So I go on the Telegram gateway and copy that authorization token and replace that. Now that is ready to work. So now let me show you that how it's look like. And yeah, so that is my phone number, and I want to open that, inspect and network, then check Telegram. You can see that made a request which is this one, and that is tell me that that number is exist on Telegram and request is okay. Now that is my phone number, and I am login on Telegram gateway API by using that phone number. But if I made a changes on that phone number, like there is someone different people, that is a different people phone number, if I just click check Telegram, you can see this time that is sent me error which is balance not enough. So if you want to test that whether that phone number is on Telegram and that number is not your, then must have to spend money. Yeah, you have to spend money, because you can test that only for your number. Now when you move to the production, his time you need to use other people numbers, that is different scenario. So for now that is enough. Okay, so now we can check that whether that phone number is on Telegram or not. So now we want, when we click send code, we will receive that a verification code to that number. So how we can do that? So here I just remove that. Here I don't need that, and that also. Okay, so that is send code function, and there have the phone number which is take a input, and there have a authorization. But this time I am not going to use that authorization. I want to change my API, and if I go authorization, there have a access token, and here I can use that access token instead of authorization. So I want to show you that both method. So if I want to pass that, then I just have to type here access token, and then copy that above one, because that one is correct and bottom one is wrong. So now I have to remove that header because I don't need that anymore. Okay, so I can cut this one because that is a request, and that send a verification message and to that phone number, and that code length. Yeah, there have a parameter which is code length. You can see you can describe whether how much should be the code length or the OTP length. So here I type that OTP length should be 5, and here I also use something like sender username. Who is the sender? So if you see here, there have a sender username, and that sender username is a Telegram channel username, and that Telegram channel must need to be verified, and that channel must need to be created by that account, which account to create used to create that API. So I development mode, so I don't need to verify my channel, but that channel is created by using my phone number, which is end with 301. So yeah, uh, that all condition is passed here. So here I want to check if the data, then okay, which is the status, okay, then let's send code number, the number phone, yeah, this one. And if that code send if and and if sending code is unsuccessful, and if sending code is unsuccessful, then we can say sending code failed, that kind of something. So now I want to test that. I just type my phone number and click send code. Now once I click send code, you can see there have a message which is send code to the number, and that is my number, and that is the result. And I just check Telegram, you can see that is the code. Now let's say I want to send a custom code. Okay, so I want to send a custom code. I can do that. So what I need to do, I just need to type here, pass here another parameter, which is code, and code is abc 1 2 3 4 5. There is 8 digit code. And if I just go here and yeah, this one, and if I just want to test it, send code, that code is sended but not successfully. I can see here sending code is failed and code is invalid. Okay, so I made a mistake, which is only fully numeric string. That means the code should be in number, not in alphabet. So I can pass something like 0193. Okay, that is 6 7 8 digit. And pass something like this. And if I just send code, you can see this time the code is sended, and that is the 8 digit code, and you can play with it.